Today's vlog is gonna be about these wheels on the C8 Corvette. Can you guys see that? You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy JamesAtkinsTV, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy in today's vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a sad morning. One, it's raining outside, and if you guys pay any attention to my YouTube channel, I do not like having my car in the rain. So that being said, this whole thing is, you know, it's gonna get wet. Second off, today's vlog is gonna be about these wheels on the C8 Corvette. Can you guys see that? This is all bad. Crazy damage right now, okay? So I'm really sad about this. The Atlanta streets are ruthless, man. These Atlanta streets are dangerous, and I hit a crazy pothole that did that damage. Not only is it on the front wheel, but it's also, come on, it's a little dark in here right now. Sorry guys, had to turn the light on for you guys. I have a nick here on this corner. Where is it? Yeah, so I got a nick here on this corner where the paint came off here, where it also hit, and there's another part somewhere on here. The wheels are kind of dirty, so it's getting kind of masked. Gotta get this done, guys. So I'm about to head up to Premier Wheel and Painting and Powder Coating, something like that, and talk to a really good guy. He seems very knowledgeable about the work. Let's go ahead and get this car on the road so we can get this fixed. Alright, so I bet you guys are probably wondering, James, how on heaven's earth did you do this to your wheels? To these 3-piece custom painted Forgiato wheels. Trust me guys, I'm going to be as short-winded as possible when I explain it to you guys, because it hurts my heart knowing that I hit this pothole. But let me give you the story. So I was in the city of Atlanta, and if anybody's familiar with Atlanta, you know Atlanta has some really bad potholes around the city, right? It was really late at night, and I was hungry. I was heading home, and I was like, you know what? Let me get some food before I get home, because once I get home, it's literally like chill time, get ready for bed. So I was gonna go to this really good place called The Cookout. If you guys are familiar with North Carolina or the Eastern United States, we have this place called The Cookout. It recently came down to Atlanta a few years ago. Really good food, and they serve really good food late night as well. So it's like 1 something, maybe 2 a.m. and I get there, and they're normally open, serving great food, but they're closed for whatever reason. And I'm like, all right, cool. I need to find another place, because another nearby place, because I'm hungry. Quickly type in Google nearby food that's open, right? Click on the first place, let's do it. So Google, I'm very familiar with Atlanta, but Google decided to take me on like the quick way, like around this back roads way. It's a dark street, whatever. As I'm going around this curve, I hit the pothole. Now, you know how you hit a pothole and you know you just messed up? I didn't even want to get out of the car, guys. Like, it was literally one of those times when you hit the hole, you're like, you know what, I know I just did something. So I don't have tow hooks on my Corvette, and if anybody's familiar with a Corvette, you cannot tow it with a regular tow truck, and it sits low, so you're risking bad things happening if you don't have tow hooks, because there's a flat panel underneath the Corvette. So I didn't even get out the car. My initial thought was get home, assess any damages later, because if you get a flat tire out here, it's gonna be bad, right? And I'm also in an area of Atlanta where you don't want to get caught at late at night by yourself, right? Especially in the Corvette. So I head straight home. When I get out, you guys see the exact same damage that I saw. A day or so later, I go and assess what that pothole looks like. I go back to the area to look at the pothole, and it's like one of those potholes where it's just deep enough that my wheel fit perfectly in it, and that the angle that I was driving literally is the reason why it caused it to be scratched and stuff like that. It was some freak accident type stuff, guys. And I'm, like I said, I'm really sad to the core. Like, it hurts my heart seeing my wheels like this, but man, it's a part of this process, you know. Thank God nothing crazy happened, because everything could have been much worse. But
yeah, I mean, it's something that we could definitely do. On this one, did you just want us to take care of the face, or did you want us to do the whole entire thing?
Might as well do the whole thing, because this, I mean, can you fill in that, like the yellow that's missing from here as well? Because it's like around the wheel, there's like a lot of places like that where that yellow is poking through.
Okay, yeah. We'll just go ahead and redo it. That way, we could just. They were yellow at one point.
I don't know.
What's that yellow?
To be honest with you, man, I really just the place that did it.
We're gonna go ahead and take the tires off. Then from there, because it is a 3-piece wheel, we're gonna go ahead and disassemble the entire thing.
Right.
And from there, we'll go ahead and strip the whole entire thing. Make sure everything goes back down to bare metal. Put a fresh coat on it. We'll go ahead and sandblast it, media blast it. All the stuff that's set, that's curved up, we'll go ahead and sand that down, smooth that off. Then essentially we're gonna go ahead and color match the red onto it. So we'll go ahead and shoot the red on the barrels. Then essentially on a job like this, we're gonna more than likely shoot the red first.
Right.
And from there come back and tape it, then shoot the black, and then after that clear coat the whole entire thing. Once we're done, we're gonna put it all back together, tighten it down, torque it back down, Loctite it, making sure that the wheels and bolts are all nice and straight. And then from there, put the silicone on it, let it dry, put the tire back on it, mount balance it, put it back on the car.
Perfect. Sounds good, boss.
So it's a full service.
So as you can see, guys, like I told you before, the man knows exactly what he's talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and get my camera out the rain, and I'll end this video once I get in the car. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm clearly back home. I am soaking wet from being in the rain, so I'm gonna make this really quick. The place is actually called Premier Wheel Repair out in Marietta. We're going to see exactly what the work is going to look like once it's done. The wheels are going to be powder coated as well as ceramic coated. I went ahead and got the 2 right side wheels repaired fully, and I'm having them respray the opposite side. So they're going to sand down the barrel on the opposite side and repaint that barrel as well to be completely red. I had a few rock chips, and I think that kind of popped up and scuffed the wheel. But this is going to be about $1,000 fix, $1,000 job after you do all 4 wheels, painting and all that good stuff. So I'm still debating on whether or not I'm going to have this done before I leave or come back. I'm not sure, but that's just all in my head. At the end of the day, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and drop a like on this video, comment down below what are your thoughts on the pothole that I hit. Okay, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can find your way back to more JamesAtkinsTv content. And yeah, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I truly appreciate you for tapping in and tuning in with your boy. Be out.